little over a month ago, Indiana became the first state to pass a near total ban on abortion since the overturning of Roe. That law is now in effect as of Thursday, though it faces mounting legal pressures. Under the law, abortions are permitted in cases of rape and incest before 10 weeks post-fertilization to protect the life and physical health of the mother, and if a fetus is diagnosed with a lethal anomaly. Under the new law, abortion clinics like Planned Parenthood are no longer able to offer abortions, but can still offer other healthcare services. Governor Eric Holcomb signed the measure in early August, saying shortly after, quote, "Following the overturning of Roe, I stated clearly that I would be willing to support legislation that made progress in protecting life. In my view, SEA 1 accomplishes this goal." It's since received intense pushback from many.
I think there is power in numbers, and it's, I think it's meaningful and comforting to be around other people who are sharing this experience.
In recent weeks, the ACLU has filed 2 lawsuits challenging the law's legality and requesting an injunction.
And so this is uncharted territory. However, these claims have succeeded in other states with conservative legislatures, with also very restrictive abortion schemes.
The first of the 2 lawsuits argues the new Indiana law violates both the Indiana Constitution's right to privacy and equal privileges protections.
It basically says that abortion is contained in the right to privacy inherent in Article 1, Section 1 of the Indiana Constitution, which, like the federal Constitution, has a guarantee for life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
The second lawsuit was filed on behalf of Hoosier Jews for Choice and 5 women, claiming the law violates Indiana's Religious Freedom Restoration Act.
Indiana's law states that fertilization marks the beginning of life, and not all religions have that same principle. So their argument is that the Indiana abortion law burdens their exercise of religion.
When asked about the religious freedom claims in the lawsuit, Attorney General Todd Rokita did not address any questions, but rather issued the following statement, reading in part, quote, "The Indiana Constitution says nothing about securing the right to abortion. My office is dedicated to defending this life-saving law, defending validly passed laws, including those intended to protect the unborn, is a core mission of the Attorney General." In Louisville, Connor Steffen, WHAS 11, on your side.
And the ACLU also released a statement following the lawsuits, which reads in part, quote, "This fight is far from over. We'll continue doing everything in our power to restore abortion access in Indiana as soon as possible." And a judge plans to hear the ACLU's case for an injunction against the new law coming up on Monday, September 19th.